video we have seen Hot Wheels Mud Studs Baja Bone Shaker.to. Watch this video, link is in description.
Hello guys, welcome to Miniature GT. I hope you are all fine. Thanks for 22 subscriber and thanks for your support.
Today we are going to see the second car of Hot Wheels Mud Studs 5-pack. Blade Runner. Aerodynamic shape with high ground clearance make it more faster. Nice muddy color, big tires. Hot Wheels and 35 number decals on the door. Yellowish windows make it more aggressive. Car front has sleek headlights with additional fog lamp on bumper and the roof. Hood has rough metal plate-like design. Big air diffuser at the front with load puller. Off-roader has yellowish glass from which the engine details are visible. Big Stephanie tire on back of the car. Off-roader base is made from plastic. Tires are also made from plastic. Details of the cars are amazing. So, guys, what's your opinion about this off-roader by Hot Wheels Mud Studs 5-pack? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Miniature GT. And stay tuned for the another car.